What's going on? I'm gonna make a quick lesson video. So for me to make this video, I gotta empty this, and y'all will understand why after. So we're gonna get a little shooting on here. Awesome. My favorite target potatoes. Okay, now it's empty. I'm working with the Evernex, but that's not the point. The point is, there's potato all over my camera. All right, the point is you got to be aware of your equipment. So I have to show everybody something, and I want to show you my mistake. Silly mistake, silly. That, as you can see, its position. This is wrong, obviously. It was supposed to be like that. It overheated and just stopped. Sucks. So I have another one coming in. They're $11 for a 110 to 220 volt, and they're not expensive. All I have to do is just switch the wires. But this is what you gotta do if you still want to have fun and shoot, and still have to fill your PCP like this. Now, you will not get past 200 bar. It doesn't have the kick like it would the actual amp. So just always dust your equipment. Look at what you're doing, or you'll be like me, have to charge my PCP with my car battery. All right, y'all.